Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful tall topiary style arrangement. Let's watch together. Okay, let's make this together. The way that I want to show you, I am using one very nice antique bowl. It's very heavy and it's very nice, and I show you how to put foam and how to cover glass. I use a real banana leaf from very fresh banana plant. You see how fresh and beautiful, and I love this burgundy edge of the leaf, very nice. Hopefully we can show that in the glass. Cut your banana leaf, or you can use giant bird of paradise. That's also, it's very nice. I have giant bird of paradise. I can show you that one as well too. They are very beautiful. You can use this as well, any way that you want. I like softness and fragile look and feeling of banana leaf, so I am using banana leaf. You cut the size of the bowl and you put, I just cut this prior, but I know how much to cut. So I will cut 2 more or maybe 3. We can use the other part as well. So just go very soft, they are very fragile. Put face out. When you put face out, you show beauty of leaves better. 2 or 3 more, and then you can add for the empty area this part. It's exactly like triangle and it stays perfectly between leaves. This part that is higher than the bowl, we can cut it. So we are okay for now. 1 more. This way I can show lines on this beautiful green. You see the line of leaves, very beautiful and natural, very natural. I'm gonna add 1 more this side because it's gonna be round, nice arrangement. Foam, I have 2 blocks of foam. This is face of my phone and this is back of the foam. I put tight together, I push in, make sure leaves, they don't move that much. Push as much as you can. You can tape this if you want, or you can add some extras, but tape is better, safer, and nicer. They stay more in place. This extra I will cut, but here I need to put 1 more of this triangle shape. So I did this triangle a little bit better. These extras I'm gonna cut. If you don't wanna cut, that's fine too, because anyway it will cover in between flower. So I cut all the extras. Now we use waterproof floral tape to go from here to here, and the other side I already have some cut. I go from here. This part also will cover in between flowers, so don't worry about it. If you feel it's not covered, you can put 1 more leaves around that area to cover your tape, but your tape will cover under. Make sure your hand is not wet when you do this tape. This tape needs to be dried, but it's waterproof after used. But while you are using it, if you make it wet, if your hand is wet, it's not gonna work. So be careful about that. Now that it's ready, you can add water, and then we can start with top of our topiary, and bottom is round arrangement. I have a few of these orange roses. I'm gonna use about maybe 50 roses and some astomeria. I try to put together white and pale orange, or if you think this is dark peach, maybe about 1 dozen on top. I'm gonna have some nice tall, beautiful white astomeria, also clean and nice. This design, it's very beautiful, tall arrangement that you can use for any occasion. It can be used as a centerpiece since top is here, bottom is here, so there is no blocking view between people around the table. So it's very nice to use as a centerpiece, as a pedestal arrangement or side entrance arrangement, and as any occasion you can use this beautiful arrangement. Roses, they will get open and get bigger and nicer if you take the guard out. We always talk about this. So make sure out of refrigerator day before, they stay very nice and fresh and beautiful. Okay, so we are making top nice, round, and beautiful, of course. I like this Astromeria. And few more maybe. You can hold it tight like this from top and bottom. You want to give nice, good fresh cut. All flower that you use in arrangement, they need real fresh cut. When you give fresh cut, they make sure take enough water and mineral from vase or from foam. Make sure you always, for any arrangement you do, any type, any style, give fresh cut to your flower before you're using it. Okay, so hold it tight together like this and go to the center of this foam. The center, because I have crossed tape, I have to make sure to put this around the tape. So that's a little tricky. You can't find exact center, but we will work around it. Push this down as much as you want or can. It's almost there. We wanted to make sure it's not wobbly and it's strongly in their place. Push some of them if you can more down. We know that they are holding each other as well. Okay, now for here, I like to add some nice, any kind of ribbon, anything it matches occasion that you are sending this. So go around, bring it to your face. I can turn this back to you guys to look. So with one knot or tie together, if you want to make bigger, nicer bow, you can do that. You can make that bow ahead of the time and add it here. So it's up to you how you want to manage this part. For the second part of our arrangement, we cut roses almost size of your vase, but you want to be a little bit out to have this arrangement about this shape, round, just like centerpiece. Always cut. Go inside the foam, about this much out. These beautiful roses everywhere. So don't cut them too short. Make sure cut them long enough that they can drink water. Make sure your roses goes deep inside to the bottom so you can see how much I push them in. This way they have enough mineral and vitamin from water and they last longer. So you see there is a gap between top and bottom. It will give nice look to the design, as well as can be easy to use this as a centerpiece. Total of 50 roses I am using for this design, which is make it perfect with some filler and maybe if I need any greenery. Okay, I'm gonna add my filler, which is nice white Astromeria. Astromeria is Peruvian lily as well. They open nice and they fill lots of area and they last good. Easy 20 days, especially if there is water and cool place. They are come in all different colors, red, orange, yellow, pink, hot pink. They are not dyed, they are very natural. I'm gonna check side to make sure. I can add some of this just to cover mechanic. I don't like to mechanic shows. It's very important that you cover as much as you can. Okay, just few items, not too much. These are also very beautiful, long-lasting greenery. They last very good and they give nice, good contrast. Okay, almost done. Okay, this is our nice, easy 2 or 3 step topiary flower topiary arrangement that you can make from your garden. Astomeria is easy to grow. Roses, I am sure you all have in your garden. Bring it in and make this nice, beautiful arrangement. If you like this design or you like to know more about this type of easy steps design, please check us at minadesignschool.com or subscribe this channel. Thank you.